Innal hamdalillah thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Halal Dollars free training and coaching program. Inshallah, we are going to be learning how to build your Facebook connections the right way. The first thing we are going to be talking about is researching your ideal customers. So when you are doing your research, we've chosen our niche. So for that niche that you have chosen, you are going to be doing some research. We have started with the Facebook groups, and we said that you should have a maximum of 10 Facebook groups that you are in. So now you're also going to be searching for pages, and you're also going to be searching for places. So it's usually one of the two, depending on the service you're running. Sometimes you find it in pages, sometimes you find it in places. So in our case, we are doing the restaurant, so we're going to be searching for it. But basically, you should join and follow 5 of them daily. So you're going to be searching for that your keyword. In our case, we're searching for restaurants now, so we will be searching for plumbing service, or your keyword is cleaning service, or whatever it is. So you're going to be searching in just the way I explained, with location. So maybe in Alimosho if it's in Nigeria, and if you are searching for places in United States, you're going to be searching too for different places. So now I'm in my Facebook account, so I'm going to search for restaurant in Agege. Okay, perfect. So as usual, so instead of it being under all, the last time we searched under groups, so we're going to be going to pages now. So if you search for pages, we have TFC is a known brand. Tasty Fried Chicken is a known brand, so we don't need to bother ourselves about that. We can see that the content it's giving us, we have Agege Pen Cinema and Orile Agege Connect. That's not what we want. National Teachers Institute, it's not populating well under pages here. Do you see what I'm saying here? We have Union Baptist Church Agege, so we can see that yes, it's populating for Agege. We have Maracas Agege, but we don't have it populating for the places we want, which is restaurants in Agege. So we're going to also try. So if it doesn't populate well for you for one, you can try the other. For some niches, it will populate well for both. So I'll go to places now. So you can see it's actually populating better. So our goal is basically to follow and like those pages. So now we have Evie's Kitchen. So you right click and you open a new tab. So we can see Evie's Kitchen. So the first thing we need to check is if they are active. So we can see that these people are in business. So perfect. The second thing to check is if they have a website. If it does not have a website, so this is just Linktree, and Linktree is not a website. So this is a perfect candidate for us. So what we are going to do is that we are going to like. So I'm going to like her. That's Ivy's Kitchen, and I'm also going to come here under this 3 dot and I'll click on follow. Do you understand? So look how beautiful it is now. So it starts suggesting similar people. So you check them out. So let me check this out. So this is Premium Kitchen. See, they don't have a website also. Where are they located? If we check out their about, we should know their location. He didn't mention their location. So, but we're not restricted by location. So all we just need to do is come here to like also, and also click on what? Follow. So we'll do it like that consistently for 5 pages. So I've done that. See this kitchen service too. So we can check it out too. So we are going to be doing that for 5. So she too does not have a website. You can see Annie's does not have a website. So you like Annie's, and you also come here and you follow. Do you understand? So it will keep on populating similar ones for you, and that's just from the first search results now. So you go on, and but basically daily you should just go for 5. You shouldn't exceed 5. Do you understand? So with respect to the groups, we've explained at length how you are going to be dealing with the groups. So we'll continue based on that. So we are going to make sure that you still have your 10. If there's any part of them that is not active, do you understand, you leave the group and you add one more, and as usual you post what twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. So for the pages, the people and the groups now. So the first thing is what I've said, which is that you're going to like and follow the pages and the places, and I said maximum of 5 daily. The second thing is that you're going to comment and like their posts. Now you are in groups, you are in pages, in a specific niche that you are interested in now. So this niche, you are going to be going to those groups. There are going to be comments. I mean, we've checked their engagement earlier on, and we've seen that they have like 10 posts, 5 posts. We said minimum of 5. So there are going to be posts. There are going to be comments. So you are going to like the post. Anytime you see any posts, do you understand, in any of these groups, you should like them. Do you understand? And you should comment. Do you understand? You should give genuine comments. So that's where so you make genuine recommendations in the comments. So you should speak like a professional, and you should give genuine recommendations. If people are talking about problems, you should give genuine solutions. You can even search for solutions to those problems, and you now give them those solutions and even reference the websites. So you give genuine solutions to their problem. Then you also mention them or reply to them. So when you are commenting on people's posts, you should make sure you mention them or you reply them. What I mean by mention is, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you are going to mention the person's name and you type. So the reason for this is that Facebook sends a notification to those individuals personally that someone has mentioned them, so they would go back to check, and that increases the engagement of people with your content, with your posts, with your activities. And you also reply when they send messages and you want to give, when they make posts. So when they write a post and you want to reply to those posts, so you use the reply is also going to show their name, and is also going to give them a notification that you've replied to them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to show you, let me just use this as an example. So this is a group. So now this is a group. I'm scrolling down. So this is someone's post. Now if I want to mention, you just use the @ this and you write the person's name. Maybe I want to respond to Okoro Ebuka, so I'll just type Okoro Ebuka. So you can see, and I'll just click on it. So in this way I'm mentioning him, so I can just tell him that it costs maybe so amount, maybe 5,000 naira, but that's not the so space, maybe 5,000 naira or something. So but that's not the bone of contention, is actually how to mention. Now if you want to reply, you would actually have to go to the specific comments. Maybe this is this same Okoro book I want to reply to. I'll just click on reply. Do you understand? So reply. So if you click on it the first time and it doesn't show, make sure it shows whenever you want, before you type, wherever you're going to be writing the message to, so that way you'll be sure the person gets the message. Do you understand? So you can see that the same thing is what this person did here. He replied to him and he wrote the amount. That way he would get a notification that he has responded to him. So this is how you are going to either mention or reply. So the last one here is very, very, very important. You don't send friend request to anybody until they have replied or responded to you with a positive statement. Do you understand? So you are in groups, you're joining groups, you are interacting in the comment section, and you are engaging them. So when you are engaging them, don't just say because I've spoken to him or I've replied to him, then he will get a notification that I should send the friend request. Don't ever make that mistake. So you only send friend request when you've engaged with them and they send messages that show that what they like you, that show positive a positive vibe from them towards you, then you can attempt to make a friend request. And many a times when they have a positive vibe with you, you will see them sending the friend requests too. Do you understand? So, but don't ever make the mistake of sending a friend request to anybody you have not interacted with, or someone you have not gotten the cue from. That's the positive vibe, the positive statement from the person to go ahead with. No, don't ever make that mistake. This is very, very important for the sake of Allah. So let's ensure we are very cautious of this. So another thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to be tagging our friends, because our friends on Facebook are actually our prospective customers. So these people, you are going to be tagging them. So whenever you write any post, you're going to actually tag them in the post. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So now I have a post. Let me just add the picture just for the sake of the example. So yeah, so when you've added the picture, you click on edit. So you click on tag. So I've tagged myself. I'll click on it again and I'm going to tag. So that's the only friend I have on this Facebook account. So I'm just going to do that and I'll click on save and then I'll post. So in this case, I'm not posting it, but you're going to make sure you tag all your friends, those customers that you're having. Make sure you tag them whenever you post. Do you understand this? It is very, very essential you do this. So this is what's going to engage them, and it's going to ensure that all of those people that you are connecting with actually see those content you are posting. So for the assignments, the first of them is that you are going to be following 5 pages. So if you don't find what you are looking for in pages, then you should search for it in places. So any of the two, but basically every day you should actually follow and like 5 of them. So that's going to be your assignment for today, and henceforth you're going to be doing that. So I expect everybody to also continue making their posts. So by now we are 1 week into it. So by now you should have 21 posts. After a while you're going to stop. After 2 weeks, inshallah, you're going to stop. But for the first 2 weeks, we want you to consistently post 3 on Instagram and 3 on Facebook. So that way you will have over 40 posts, and at the end of the day, you will now just be posting probably 3 times a week. So, but anyone who now checks your content, who interacts with your content, will see actually that your content is original. I mean, going through 50 posts, different unique posts that you've made, shows that you're a professional at it. So that's what we want to achieve with what we are saying you should do. Now, the second thing is that you should connect with 5 people daily. So how do you do this? How do you connect with people? Go into comments. So those 10 pages, those 5 pages you've joined, that you join every day, you're going to be meeting people in those groups too. So those commenting pages, commenting in groups, you're going to be interacting with people, obviously. So these people are the people you should connect with. So you should try as much as possible to connect with at least 5, and that's why it is essential those groups you're joining are active. Those groups, if they are active, you are going to be able to connect with 5 people easily. So your goal is to ensure that you are able to connect with 5 people every day, 5 different people in your niche. So the third thing is that, so you are going to, that's your second assignment. The third assignment is that you should comment or like at least 5 posts in each of those groups daily. So in those groups you're going to be posting twice daily. Now you should also comment or like at least 5 of the posts. So they're going to be making posts, at least 5 of them. So at least 5 of those posts should be commented on or liked. Yes, in fact, all the posts that you have, you should like them, but at least 5 of them you should engage with them and comment and interact, such that you are able to have a very high engagement and you are noticeable in the groups. So, and lastly is always comment and like the post of the pages you are following. So for the pages you are following, make sure you are always liking them, you're always commenting whenever they make their comments, you're always responding with comments that are genuine. Please, that comments that are genuine, please make sure it's genuine. Don't just say they said we should comment and you type rubbish. Please make sure it's genuine. So, and also socialize with other people in the comment section, also in the pages. So by the time you're socializing, you would realize you will start having an you will start meeting your ideal customers. You will start having your friends to be your ideal customers. So, and when your friends are your customers, pitching your service to them is very easy, because there's going to be trust. So these are the assignments you're going to do. So please, let's ensure that all the assignments we're asking us to do, we ensure we do them. If you allow the assignments for the previous day to pile up to the next day, you're going to be increasing your workload, and you're going to be reducing your chances of success. For the sake of Allah, let's ensure we do this. We are really putting in a lot of efforts to ensure that these things come out as they are. So our joy will be to see you implement these things and to see many success stories. Funny enough, we've had a number of people that have started sharing one or two success stories whereby they are already even having people communicating with them regarding jobs, and they were messaging us. So, but what we are just trying to say is, there's no way you will do all of these things we have said, except that inshallah you are going to see very, very amazing results. We ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses our efforts and makes it from the things that will benefit us in this world and the next. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.